Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Tiffany Benson, one part of Team Benson, and today's a pretty exciting day for me today because I'm going to get rid of one of my tomato cages and I'm going to install my brand new muddy crab system. So let's see if I can do this right. Okay guys, so this is what I'm talking about. This is my cucumber plant, and as you can see, it's kind of just in the middle of the ground. So it doesn't really have anything to kind of trail up. I put it in a tomato cage, which it will work, and I can just kind of like hoop the vines in there, but it takes a while before it reaches up to that first ring, and then even more until it reaches up to the second and then up to the third. So we are going to try and solve this problem today with the Mighty Crop system. Okay guys, so the first thing I did is I installed 3 stakes right by my cucumber plant. Now I would say that Arizona dirt is hard. I live on a mountain, as you can see. Ta-da! So it was not easy to get those stakes in there. But I have the 3 stakes installed, and now all I did too is kind of measure where they're going to be at when I was installing them. The nice part about this is that it has 2 different sizes. So if you have the big size, it can go on the big end, and if you have the small size stakes, they can go on the small end. So now I'm just going to put them on top. Alright, so now for the final product. And I'm gonna let you guys know that it's about 100 degrees outside right now, and I haven't even broken a sweat yet. So it's pretty easy to install. So let me show you guys the final product. So there it is. The cool part is that I can adjust the rings for how tall or how close to the ground that I want them to be. So as you can see, this first one I have really close to the plant itself so that it can start growing onto this cage, so that it doesn't hang on the ground or anything like that, and it can already start growing up. Now as it puts out different vines, I can easily just hook those vines into these little side rings or put them through the middle as well. And then I didn't have to sacrifice my shade cloth because, as you guys could see in my other videos, it was even with those tomato cages, so that then I can hook it and go all the way across this way to my arch. So it was pretty easy, guys. Pretty cool. So that was it. Not much to it, and I'm kind of excited about growing it in this one because I feel like last year when it was just in a tomato cage, I cut off a lot of vines and I trimmed it a lot because I was trying to grow it just single stemmed up the tomato cage that I had it on, because I really didn't have room for anything else. I feel like now, since I have the option of kind of wrapping it around and different hooks and different things like that, I can keep on a lot more vines and maybe produce a lot more cucumbers. So the nice part about this, guys, is that Mighty Crop has offered all of my subscribers 10% off of their Mighty Crop system. All you do is go to the link down below and put in Team Benson for your promo code, and you'll get 10% off your Mighty Crop system. So let me know in the comments if you guys are going to get one, and if you guys are going to be testing this out with me. I am going to be doing updates on how my cucumber plant is doing so that you guys can see. But so far it looks like it's going to be sturdy and hold up to the Arizona monsoon, which is always a big thing. Alright guys, until next time, grow yourself a garden, because even a small space can provide you with tons of food. Bye guys.